Oh, hi. Phone parking here. We're going back to Island H2O. It's summer. It's time to see what summer crowds are like. By first looks, it's going to be a busy one. Family slide. Stairs are filled up. Everything else is to be determined. Park opened at 10:30. It is 11:30. Parking lots as full as it's been, at least for us all year. I'm going to cross the road now and not get hit. Okay, bye. Oh, hi. Down here. Apparently there's a cinematic recording mode, and that's what I did. But there's no audio. So, I believe I was talking about how when we got there was an issue with our tickets. They had recently changed ownership from when we initially bought our season passes to when we got our season passes. Apparently the one I downloaded to my mobile wallet wasn't the right ones. Super nice people up front got us what we needed, but we got in, we walked around, was very busy, struggled to find a camping site to put our stuff. Like I said, we got there about an hour after the park opened, and there wasn't a chair to be found. All of the cabanas had been pre-booked and filled up for the day, but we did eventually find a chair. We camped out, and we still had a great time. So I believe there should be audio coming in here soon. Yeah, okay, good luck. Well, we gotta find a place to put our stuff first. That family one has a very long line right now, Shar. What's over where?
The water.
We're going this way? Yep. Definitely a busy day. Where we going, Char?
Lazy River.
Lazy River, okay. Okay, found the Lazy River. I don't know if we're gonna find any tubes. Well, here goes nothing.
What?
Lazy River. I doubt we're gonna get a float. Are we just walking? Here.
Wait, you gotta come back over here.
Help your friend. Sure, help your friend. We're walking along the river. I have no idea how well this audio is. But you're in a bag, and hopefully you're safe. I don't even know if you're looking at me or not. Gonna get her.
Yeah, same. We live like right down the road. So she wakes up, she's like, I'm gonna go to the water park. I was like, great, on a Saturday. We're not gonna pull it out. Yay!
So relaxing. What? No, I'm stuck in a current. Oh, it went the wrong way. You good, Shar?
Okay, are you going around again?
Yeah,
Huh?
I think so.
Yeah? Okay.
We're going around again, Shar? Okay.
Mommy's gotta go put some sunscreen on, okay?
No.
Is Daddy's?
Yeah, I stay with you. Okay, change of plans. We're going to the wave pool. There's a hula hoop contest going on back there. Okay, wave pool, here we come. We're in the wave pool. The waves are currently not pulling. Also, the Velcro for the waterproof thing broke. We're now living dangerously. Mommy is over by these slides. So we're gonna go give this to Mommy and then go do the racing slides.
I like a little pink shoes.
So what? On our belly? Yeah.
I actually went to do the.
Well, the family ride's really long right now, and I don't think Mommy's doing that today, so we don't have enough people. Okay? You come in.
We need my friends.
But we ended up getting set up shop over there. I see her. She's relaxing. I think she filled up our waters. I hope she filled up our waters. I need some water. Do you need some water? I need some water. Well, she's exploring. We did the race. That was fun. The bucket hasn't dropped yet. Over yonder is the race line. The drop towers, the blue one's water is running. The red one, water hasn't been running. But I also have not seen that actually operate in a couple of seasons, actually. I don't know if it's a staffing thing or an actual operational thing, but don't expect to go on the drop towers if that's the main reason why you're coming here. So we are set up over there in the Pelican Paradise, which is basically the back of the park. So we're just gonna make a quick laugh while she's playing. So park map, we are there. Excuse me. Pelican Paradise is 19. The little candy stripe area is 18. Some cabanas around all of those. Gonna head over here to the family slides at 21 and go up and around and back to where we are. So we have done the orange family slide. That one's really fun. Obviously there's a much larger line in there right now than what we've ever waited for. But there are the two. The green one does have like the vertical. We cross over the lazy river. Fun section of the lazy river. Make sure you read the instructions on the ground because it's opposite of what the little speech bubbles are. We've made that mistake before. So orange right, green left. So orange right, or orange right, green left. I got confused again. Just a little bit of a better view here for what is at the Pelican Paradise. Couple of just smallish body slides for little ones. Adults can go down them too, if I could ever speak straight. Then Harper has done a couple of these tube slides before that we've watched. There is the water coaster, which she might have done that before, but the other tube slides are fun enough. So yeah, the water coaster does end in a bit of a vertical lift there. And then the one, like the light tealish blue one, she said there's stuff written in the tubes. So I have to try that one of these days. Someone did just go down the water coaster. Yep, there they go. See, vertical. We did get a cabana last year around September. They were offering them at like 50% discount. So we might do that again, who knows? But we are over here by restroom, the Shark Attack bar, something bar, but it's bar, and it's the adult only pool behind it. It is the Tag Shack. Nothing to do with shark or attack, but it does kind of rhyme. I'm gonna blame it on that. It rhymes. Tag Shack, not Shark Attack. Then Charlotte really does love this body slide. Well, it's not a body slide, it's the mat slide. It's the mat slide. This is basically, besides the free flow ones and the family ones, I mean, that's all but 3 of them that she can do all by herself. I mean, we go with her, but it's fun. It's a good double dip. Weight's not horrible. There are people waiting for mats right now. And then that is right by the wave pool. We have watched football on the big screen. That's nice come football season. It's less busy than too because it's a little cooler and it's, well, not summer vacation time. And then he was here last year. I don't know if it's the same guy, but they do have a DJ out again, doing games, giving out free Dippin' Dots. Last time there was a super awesome bubble party going on as well. But I'm gonna fill up some water. Charlotte got a frozen banana from the Island Market earlier. She liked it, but that does bring us back to the lazy river. That was fun. Walked around that a couple times today. And then Megabytes is the main food eatery area. We've gotten pretzels from there, some other small snacks over the years. It's fine, not the best, but it'll keep you fed. And if you get a cabana, they'll get you food from here and bring it to you. Then we're back to the start. So the gift shop's down that way. Main bathrooms and changing rooms are here. And then right off to the left, over the bridge and over the lazy river, takes us back to the Pelican area. That's Pelican Paradise, I believe. Maybe. So in conclusion, it is a good water park.
It is a great water park for the price. And I don't know, they are under new management, but the times we were down here, they did run a Labor Day, which I believe is the September holiday, where you get the rest of that calendar year's of season pass plus the next year's for the price of your regular season pass. That's when we wait and get. So we're gonna finish up this calendar year, and then probably skip one, and then maybe get it again. We'll see. Really fun, enough to do, great for our age range of kids. Not nearly as big as Disney, but it costs about half as what it would cost you to go to Disney to come here. Take that for what it is. All in all though, we like it here. It's not spitting, but the water is coming out the side. Probably a good indication that the bucket's gonna bucket too. Charlotte's sitting waiting to get splashed. Yep, there she is. She's gonna get wrecked. She's gonna be so upset she walked away. What?
I can see it.
Okay, Char, how was it?
Good.
What are we doing now?
Baby river.
Lazy River again? Where are you going? You're walking away. It is that way, but I'm sitting down.
Wait.
So I guess I'm taking my jacked up classes and going back to the Lazy River. They did not like the chlorine. And then I cleaned them. And then I cleaned them some more and it made it worse. Lazy River here. How is it, Char?
Good.
Is it traditional Dippin' Dots time again? You got Cookie Monster? They're out of Dr. Pepper, unfortunately. But since we're at our traditional Dippin' Dots ending time, this is where I'm going to leave you. We had fun today. Hopefully we can convince this one to leave without too many tears. But thanks for coming along. Island H2O gets busy in the summer. Who would have thought? We still had fun. We went around the Lazy River a couple of times. I walked around the Lazy River a couple of times. We did the mat slide. We also did the thing with the wave and the pool. But Charlotte's getting covered in Dippin' Dots. So this is entertaining.
Big Mom and Nina.
Thanks for coming along. Catch you all next time. And as always, folks, remember to stay kind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to need to exit through the gift shop. Okay, bye.